Green Hatch Chiles are in season, and when combined with the best pork in the world, the result is amazing. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede BBQ. Today I'm making Green Hatch Chile Iberico Ribs with St. Louis Iberico Ribs from Campo Grande. The first thing that we want to do is get the ribs going. Normally I will smoke the ribs, but it's 115 degrees outside in Phoenix, so we're going to cook it in the oven. But let's start with preparing them. We're going to open the package with the Iberico St. Louis cut rib and look at the beautiful intramuscular marbling. We're going to season it very simply, salt, pepper, garlic. We're using our Big Swede BBQ Badass Texas Boost. You want to set your oven for 300 degrees. Place the Iberico rib on an elevated rack. And then we're going to cook these until we reach an inner temperature of about 205 degrees. This will take a couple of hours. The ribs are in the oven, so let's get started on the Green Hatch chili sauce. We want to place the Green Hatch chilies on a rack. And then I'm going to use my torch to blacken the skin all over. And make sure that you get all the nooks and crannies and both sides. And using a torch for cooking, it's so much fun. Then we're going to place them in a Ziploc bag and let them steam for about half an hour. Then we're going to peel off the charred pieces and cut it into small dices. We want to add some olive oil to a pan. Then we're going to add 1 finely diced sweet onion. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We want to saute this for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to add the Green Hatch chilies. We want to saute this for another 3-4 minutes. We want to season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Then we're going to add 1.5 cup of good broth. And now we're going to simmer this until the broth is reduced by about half. We're going to add a bunch of diced cilantro. And then we want to place this in our mixer. We're also going to add some blanched spinach for color. Then we're going to mix this on high for a minute. And then we want to pass it through a sieve. And look at the beautiful color of this Green Hatch chili sauce. When the ribs are ready, we want to remove them from the oven. We're going to slice them into individual ribs. We want to place them on a plate, and then we're going to drizzle them with the Green Hatch chili sauce and some sliced green onions. And then this seasonal and very flavorful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Green Hatch Chile Iberico ribs. And I think the only thing left to do is to try these and see what they taste like. And they look amazing. Maybe a little extra dip. And here we go. Wow. So packed with flavors. And that Green Hatch chili sauce is amazing. I hope you try this at home. Hyper grilling. Oh.